Hi, so as you can see in this video, I'm about to fit a black box. You can see that right now I've got the spanner and I'm adjusting the nuts on the handle and on the whatever you would like to call it that I'm about to do there. Right, now you need to make sure your surface is clean, squeaky clean, so then when you apply the sticker, which I'll show you in the next vid, yeah. So, the sticky icky part, you need to place that on the battery and make sure it's firm, because if it isn't firm then you'll be avoiding your black box score and you might get a slap on the wrist. So make sure it doesn't move, and if it does move, apply some duct tape, it might help. This part is where it might get a little bit complicated. It's only 2 wires and the red goes to the red, which is live or plus, and the black goes to the minus, a negative, and that's what basically sparks your battery, sparks your black box to live. Yeah, brings it together as one. Hello, I'm back again. Just remember you have to tighten the nuts. If you don't tighten the nuts, then the nuts will be loose nuts. So make sure they're tight. Just a friendly reminder, make sure the nuts are tight.